Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC exchange. For that, first of all, you will have to come on Binance. Now, if you don't have an account on Binance, I will put the link of it down in the description. And if you create your account with my link, you are going to get extra sign up bonuses. So once you are in your Binance account, simply tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then tap on spot in the top. Over here, you need to scroll down and tap on USDT. Then tap on the withdrawal option in the bottom. After tapping on withdrawal, select the option on send via crypto network, and then you will be landed on this page where you will have to provide the destination address in this address section. So in order to get that address, you need to launch your MEXC exchange, and over here you just have to provide these location permissions and then notifications. Now over here you will see the deposit option, so tap on deposit, then select the option of on-chain deposit. After that, in the search bar, search for USDT and then select the network. I would recommend you to either go with BEP20 or TRC20 because in these two you will have to pay very less gas fees. So most used is BEP20, so select this one. Then you will see your QR code and your deposit address, so you need to copy it from here. Then go back to your Binance account and paste the address in this section. Then select the same network that you have selected in your MEXC exchange, which in our case is BEP20. Afterwards, in the withdrawal amount, enter the amount that you want to withdraw and then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you will have to simply confirm your transaction. You need to check whether your address is right, and all of the details you need to extra confirm that. Once done, you will have to provide the authentication if you have enabled that. So you need to just add or provide the extra layer of security, and then you need to simply confirm this transaction. Now within just 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to receive your USDT from your Binance account to your MEXC exchange. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.